Hello. Hey. Yes. Left and go down the park road.
Yeah, go down the park road.
Okay.
I'm going to tell us where we're going now. So I'm going to pick up somebody and we're going to go Chilito. So I guess we have to go drop off and then reschedule it back again from this.
Alright. Oh, I see the passengers. Alright. A little family. I say I can help them.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Delphi family. As you can see in the title, right, I take on a challenge today, you see me? So Uber is in Jamaica. As it relates to government, go ahead. I'm not sure if it's actually like a legal business in Jamaica right now based on news articles that I've seen. What I've seen so far in terms of the regulations, in order to be regularized, you know, all you have to do is just go through the transport authority and, you know, become like a registered taxi operator. Uber is still going on. Call it say basically based on the last update when me get, all Uber operators them are run robot taxi. But anyway, that's for another day's debate. You get me? I say today now guys, I'm just gonna try it out just to see what it is like. You know, all of my life I see taxi man on the road and me just never know what it was like being in their shoes. You know, so today me go do the Uber. Of course guys, I've registered with the Uber platform. So I'm gonna go through, I submit my documents and all of that. I know there are persons out there that will be interested to join in the Uber business in Jamaica, right? It's very easy. Just download the Uber driver app. I just go up on the road right for today guys, run couple trip and see how that go. Alright guys, so yeah, join me. I'm up on the road now, you know, trying to get my first trip, you see me? But actually come in a more populated area in Portmore. You understand? An area where I figure more, a more central area where I figure more or less I'll get requests. You know, so the app is saying I'm currently online, you know, looking for trips. So I just wait. Boy guys, I see a pick up here so for a community where I think I want to go this, you know guys. So I cancel that one here. You see me? I just cancel that one here. I not go. I go and wait. I cancel that one here and go and wait. I not do this to really make a profit or anything. So certain little area I not go. You understand? So that one day I never like the location when I see. So I go and wait again. I'm going to take up that trip here now. This is in Kingston, right? This pickup is around 15 minutes away from where I started. As you guys could probably notice on the map, I was close to a 100-man police station in Portmore. So I left from there. I'm now heading to the pickup location. Alright guys, so we see how things pan out. You know, so yeah, my first trip on Uber. Alright guys, one important thing to note, this trip right is in Kingston, you understand? So basically I have to go through the toll to pick them up. So I think we finally find the place, you know, after a little bit of trouble, right? I think we find it, you know. The person said them outside but I now see them still. So basically I got led to this location, and the moment I pull up right now, the Uber app say right here, say it charge me for it is charging them for wait time, you know. So I don't know, and I tried calling the number that I see on it and I don't get no response. Yeah, hold on.
And the outcomes you can't find.
This is at the point when I pick up the passenger. Kind of confusing because I have to drive around because I couldn't find the location. And with all of that, I forgot to put on my mask. Right? The recording device also they give me some problems. Right? Lose a bit of footage because of the issues we have. But me eventually switch it over. But nonetheless, guys, stick around and see what I go on. So I just want probably just ask a few questions about your experience or whatever.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so alright, so the first time I use the app here.
Oh, the Uber app?
Uber, yes. It's the first time, you say you actually try Uber before and
Yeah,
the person almost get lost.
Yeah, I've used Uber before.
Okay. So what you think about the platform though overall?
Well, it's something I've been used to, so it's very, very, very convenient.
Convenient for you?
Very.
Yeah, for me so far, like, it's easy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you cannot literally just pick it up and just move and it's seamless.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's easy, you know. Yeah, so you say you don't mind the Uber at all?
Yeah, I don't mind. It's like very convenient.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? You just go on your phone, you don't have to call nobody.
Yeah.
I'll be like, yo, and I whip on the dispatch, I'll be like, yo, I'm going to talk to this, I'm going to talk to 5151. You understand?
Yeah.
So you just go on your phone, somebody pick you up, and it's like, cool. You can communicate with the driver, you see the driver's license plate, so you know who exactly coming for you.
The security is there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So it's very user friendly and yeah, just convenient.
Yeah, because alright, so in terms of the pricing though, how you compare it with the other companies?
Alright, so it's affordable. It's more affordable than the other.
It's more affordable.
It's definitely more affordable than the other competitors.
Okay. And now we're in a time now we're more in a technological era now where people are using their smartphones a lot more.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess that will resonate more with the young audience. I mean, like you are a young youth. You're probably in your early 20s kind of vibe, right? Yeah, so you're definitely the kind of demographic we don't expect to be using the app.
Yeah.
And yeah. So for you, in terms of the safety aspect of it, you feel safe using it?
Yeah, because even on the app you can actually track where you're going. Yeah, you have the person's name and everything. So if you feel unsafe, you can always message someone and be like, yo, this is a license plate and the name of the driver that I'm traveling with. So yeah, there's nothing I worry about when using Uber.
Okay. Alright, great. So how long now you been using it? From the inception, like from they announced it?
Well, I've used it before when I was overseas. You know, so I had the app before it actually established here. So I've used it overseas, and then when it branched off in Jamaica, then you know I started using it here.
Okay. So how you compare the service in America to Jamaica?
Relatively it's the same because everybody customer friendly. Everybody understand customer service. You understand me? So just when I came in here, you greeted me, you tell me your name, etc. So it's the same as it was when it's over there. So customer service is definitely on point.
Awesome. Yeah, it's good being a driver, you know.
Yeah.
You're actually literally my first trip.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my first trip.
That's cool.
So I'm just I navigate the thing. I'm not familiar with the application too much. You know, so I just literally because the driver app is a little different from the
the
other one. Yeah.
Sorry.
So I just have food around it and I get accustomed to it, you know.
What's your name on YouTube?
Oh, the Delprat family.
The Delprat family.
The Delprat family on YouTube.
Okay, I'll look here as a time.
Yeah, man, respect, you know.
Yeah.
Right, we're close by your location.
Yeah.
Right, but just before we close out the ride, I just want to ask you, why you selected me? Or
why the app? Well, I didn't select you.
You didn't select me.
The app,
okay.
The app did.
Okay.
Or probably you selected me, or you probably saw it and it's alright, then a job, then you requested. I'm not sure if that's how it works on your end.
So I just see like a call coming in, basically like I see similar like a request. Okay. Yeah, that's how I see it on my end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I guess it's just throwing out there for anybody in the area, and whoever wants that request, they select it. Yeah, then the message comes up. Was
the rider wear a mask? Yes. Alright. Rate rider.
Yeah, I get something as well. Says please rate your trip.
Okay. Alright. that first trip went well, you know. Yeah, so I have to switch devices, so now the Uber they're on a different phone. So this is what I get from my first trip, right? $437 for about a 10-minute drive, right? So now I am online waiting for another trip. So I'm gonna just go up the road still, guys, in my time being. You know, the first trip, actually got right. So somebody requests me, right? Yeah, so I was very close by, you know. But I'm on my way now to pick up David. Well, guys, it look like say the trip them at in a Kingston. You know, basically the request them when I get in a Kingston, because when I just go up on the thing, I expect say I could just stay right near my yard, and you know, but it look like not that popular in a Portmore yet. You know. I'm very close to my second trip, you know. Right, I soon pick up the passenger, you know. And of course, I'm gonna ask the person if them cool for them on camera and so on. So we see how that go, guys, you know. Alright, so almost reach at this next trip here. Why? It's an easy little thing, you know. Now anyway, when you have no traffic on the road and something easy, right? But maybe when I hustle and bust the time, it might be a little different. But nonetheless, yeah. Me see the customer. What should I say? The passenger. I see him. Yep. Hi, good day. Hi. Alright, so I just dropped off my second passenger, but you know, I have to ask him before if he want. Just completed that trip, right? Just completed, you know. So yeah, yeah, he was wearing a mask as well. He asked me the rider was wearing a mask, so I said yes. Right, rate driver, so I just did. Yeah, so he didn't want to be on camera. Totally, that's fine. You know, nobody has to. So I had to ask the permission. So now finding trips again. So back scouting once more. Yep. Yeah, so it seems so far the two trips I've gotten, people are going about trying to get to like sports bar, you know, entertainment. People seeking entertainment. That's the kind of trips I've gotten thus far. You know, so yeah. So I'm just waiting now, guys. I'm now up to $632. So may I make some money. 2 trips, 632 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, alright guys, so I just got another trip. It's Jamaica Avenue. I navigate to my next trip here now, guys. Alright, 2 minutes away. Not too far. So I'm in a Kingston and the trip they must have come in, so you know, so I'm off on a route here now. And guys, I mean, if you're enjoying the video, right, please hit the like button. As I may say, share the video as well. Alright. And subscribe to the Delprat family if you haven't subscribed already. You know, cause a whole heap of vibes over here, guys. Whole heap of vibes. You know. Yes, so I'm a minute away from my next passenger, which is, her name is, you know, seems like it's a foreigner name, Cariza. Right? So 2 trips, 1 foreigner, 1 local. They said the 3rd trip now look like to me is a foreigner still. But let's see. Now I'm gonna pick up me. Where's the taxi stand? The taxi stand. They asked me to come by the taxi stand. Okay. Alright. Oh, I see the passengers. Alright. My little family. I say I can help them. Hi, good day. So you want to have more? Okay. Afternoon, you know? Most welcome.
Sit down. Yay. You're heavy. Where's Papa?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm Adrian.
Hi.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Yes.
Oh, we already have our...
Okay, great. Yes. Yes, I'm Adrian. So I just started Uber, right?
Okay.
I'm doing this as like a social experiment, really.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So the camera is running.
Okay.
I don't know if you're okay with that.
We're fine.
You're
We're
fine.
with that.
Yeah.
All right, great. So I just wanted to just get passengers' feedback, using the platform. As I say, it's a YouTube video. I don't have any major intentions to do Uber business per se, but I just want to get some general
Yeah.
impressions,
Yeah.
All right.
So where are you uploading the video?
Oh, on YouTube.
On YouTube? You have a channel?
Yes, the Del Pratt family on YouTube.
What again?
The Del Pratt family on
Del-
YouTube. Del Pratt family on YouTube.
We'll subscribe.
Yes, thank you. Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
You're from the Philippines.
Yeah.
And you live here in Jamaica
For now.
For work only.
for work. So you're here on work.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
All right.
arrived 5 months ago.
Okay. All right. So how has that been? You're here in Jamaica.
What's that?
How is it? No. How is it? How's your time in Jamaica been?
Oh, it's fun.
It's fun.
Oh, yeah.
Good to know.
But with the pandemic, we cannot go
Out much.
out. Yeah, so
Oh,
much.
super.
But I realize most of the trips since I dropped one person off in New Kingston, and most of the trip it's in and around here, Yeah, so you say you're from the Philippines here in Jamaica. I guess for the 5 months you've been here, it's basically a lockdown, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? But I guess that's the case most of the world right now. Just limited movement and everything.
Yes.
So how often have you used? So Uber is what you primarily use for taxi service?
Not only Uber, we use also Gaj Pro.
Yeah, we use other car
taxi.
service. Gaj Pro.
Mhm.
What else? Mostly Uber and Gaj Pro.
Okay.
But
Okay.
back in the Philippines,
Mhm.
we've been using Uber when it was still up in the Philippines. But I think it's now replaced now in the Philippines.
Oh, so no Uber is in the Philippines right now
Yeah.
anymore?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I think it has been acquired by another company similar to Uber.
okay, I get you.
It's called Grab.
Mhm.
Grab in the Philippines.
So how you compare Uber in terms of pricing to the other service you use here in Jamaica?
Oh, it's a lot cheaper.
Uber is a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed the trips, it's very reasonable.
Yeah. Especially comparing it with the regular taxi.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yes. Right.
It's also more convenient.
True. Yes. The app is so much user friendly.
Yeah.
Hey. Yes. You know, one thing I noticed with Filipinos versus like other Asians, your English is very good. You know, or even if the other Asians speak very good English, their accent is you know, make it very difficult to understand. But you guys, the Filipinos, the English is much more easier to understand.
Already.
Yes.
It's our second language.
Okay, so you actually learn Filipino in school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
We're still struggling actually in English still. Yeah.
No, but you're doing good. You're doing very good.
Thank you.
You're doing very good.
Just go to the right.
Oh, to the right. Okay. Alrighty. Yes. Alright.
How much is this?
To be honest, I'm not even collect cash. 467. I think I drove the long way,
It's fine.
which made the trip a little more expensive because I could give you some money back if you
No,
wish.
it's fine.
That's fine.
Okay,
You
alright.
usually pay 500.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna help them with their luggage. Yeah. I just do 3 trips while ago and it never too bad. You get me, I say. The breakdown there, the $900 I make so far, right? So now I go back to Portmore, right, and pick up a special trip. So I'm gonna see who I'm gonna pick up for this last trip here, guys. So leave a like, just stay tuned, guys. All right. Seem fun, seem easy, right? The Saturday afternoon here, little bit of traffic and it's such an easy going afternoon. So I don't know if that make it more easier, right? That's why the people them say, most persons when I ask them say cheaper than the regular taxi them or something. So I guess at least Uber have that over the other service them.
Hey y'all.
Yeah, so we pick up the passenger, guys. You say unruly, she never coming out with mask. I need to report you. No, I'm gonna let you off back and tell Uber say never have had no mask.
Officially have my Uber driver. He must even introduce himself to me yet.
I'm Adrian. Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Cassandra.
Alright, Cassandra.
What's up with all this mask? Oh, finally you can see your face. Let me see you. Let me see you.
Ladi. So yeah.
So guys, officially I use my Uber. Right? So we're heading to Sovereign Village and let's see.
Oh, a cash.
Yes, I'm a cash customer.
Well on then. What is? Dropping off Cassandra. Oh! You realize a request come in, you know, so even though I drop you off, I could have still accept another ride.
Oh,
That's cool.
what?
Yeah, so so it's like me request, so me accept the other person, drop you off, then go pick up the next person. Basically, that's how it's set up.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That's cool.
Cool.
Yeah, can I say, oh, the hell is something now?
Can make your money. So, Mr. Uber driver, Lisa, Leasor, and I'm the leasee.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, so far, I mean, this thing here, it easy, me not say. You know, if you do it for one trip, not gonna make no sense.
Yeah.
Because look, I buy $3,000 gas put in my car, right? The first reservation I got, the person was actually in Kingston.
Oh, we're
Right?
in Kingston.
We're
So you
in
have to
Kingston.
go to Kingston for the person.
For the person, and then
Okay.
it was like a 10-minute drive,
Okay.
and I only that earned $400. So if you look on it from the aspect there, you just
You'd have to basically do it for the whole day.
you have to get on it for a while, yeah, to get back your money. But I think you can earn. You can earn.
Okay.
But based on what the people must say, you earn less. Because
Like if you were using like a regular passenger
yeah.
vehicle.
So what do you think about my shirt?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
Alright.
I like it. Yeah, advertise your time.
Yeah, of course.
So what is your experience talking to all the other persons who have been using the Uber that you've met today?
Them cool, man. Them cool, I mean.
How do you feel like a Uber driver? How do you feel about your safety? Like, on your end, like, I get your photo, I get your license plate,
Yeah.
right? And I'm told, if I don't say I'm not going out the car. But how do you feel? What information do you get as a Uber driver?
Alright, so
about
here,
safety?
Cassandra. Hold on there. I'm gonna cancel. May I get requests here with you guys? You know I upload a picture.
No, I didn't.
So for the drivers now, there's nothing. Them not hold the passengers accountable really, me that's it. Right? You register here, but and I like you have to upload no ID or nothing. You know, cause to be honest, you know, I'm get a reservation for some community in a town where me never when I say yo, me no want to go in the place there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And me just reject them.
Reject them.
Me reject them, yeah. Because
So I think that probably that's a short for them, because I would want, if I'm an Uber driver, to also be safe. If you're an Uber driver, I want you to be safe. So
Yeah.
I would want to know that the passenger who you're picking up won't hurt you, and that's a real fact.
Yeah.
So I would want them to have their IDs popping up on the screen, and for you, the Uber driver, to know that, listen, look how Cassandra look like this.
yeah.
I mean, bear in mind that women can change their hair and whatever, but there should be some you
General
should be
thing.
able to look and say, hey, this is what the person should look like. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As a Uber driver. So I think that in terms of passenger safety is great, but I would want to also know that the Uber drivers are safe as well. So I think that's a definite feature that Uber can improve on.
Just turn there, so
Pop up at my destination.
yeah.
It's raining now, by the way. I wanted to carry the boys, but so you go. Yeah, I want to go down to the market lock, you know?
Yeah, look. Alright, so we say collect cash. Cassandra owe $604. I was waiting for her. But come out of the house and they have to wait for her a little while. So it caused her to pay a little more. Yeah. So I think set up. Complete Uber X. Collect cash. Boom. Alright. So
I'm supposed to rate Adrian.
yeah.
So I'm giving him a 5-star. He had a 5-star rating, by the way.
Alright, nice. Awesome. Alright, it's done.
And that's it.
Alright, we can rate Casto. Right?
And
we
it
get a
says
5-star rate rider.
It says, please pay your driver Jamaican $610.20. Alright? Yep.
Alright, she already did it. So I'm gonna go offline now. Good, so I'm offline. So that's it for Uber for the day. You see me?
Yeah.
So you're at your destination.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Other passenger like she don't want to come out of my car, so.
Want a kiss. Kiss me.
Alright. Yeah, guys. So another Delprat family video brought to you by the Delprats, of course. Alright, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Alright.
And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all, and tell us in the comment section if you've ever used Uber, if you intend to, what's your opinion on it. Alright?
Yes. Alright guys, so peace out guys.
Bye guys.
Alright.